Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by wearing the watch snugly on your non-dominant wrist, so sensors read reliably. Once done, confirm battery is at least 20%. Open the sleep app and grant heart rate and motion permissions so the device can infer sleep phases. Next, set a realistic target sleep window and enable bedtime or do not disturb mode to minimize interruptions. These first steps let the watch collect consistent baseline data and avoid fragmented nighttime recordings. You now refine how the watch interprets your rest. Make sure to calibrate your sleep window separately for weekdays and weekends so the algorithm matches your routine. Enable automatic detection for natural tracking and add manual sleep entries when the watch misses naps or unusual schedules. If your model supports advanced metrics, toggle REM, deep sleep, movement, and SpO2 tracking so you get richer insights. This improves trend accuracy over weeks and helps you understand why quality varies. You finish by reviewing the nightly summary and 7-day trends to spot patterns. Make sure to read the sleep score breakdown to learn which behaviors affect quality. Once synced to the companion app, export or compare long-term trends to confirm improvements. If recording errors occur, restart the watch, update its firmware, and reauthorize sensor permissions. Additionally, reposition the band or recalibrate sensors. That troubleshooting step usually resolves missing data and keeps your sleep insights reliable going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.